Are you ready to change? Everybody wants to change the world, but nobody change ourselves. Nobody ready to change ourselves. Everybody have lot of problem. We are always try to say the complaints, right? We have family problem, we have financial problem, job problem, staff problem, etc. Study problem. Everybody have lot of problems. Why we should have problem? Why these problems come to us? We are not ready to work. If you are ready to do hard work, this complaint is automatically go out. So you are the problem. So you are ready to change yourself. Focus on yourself. Invest on yourself. Please find out what is me. Okay. Actually, you find out what is your ability. Everybody have lot of abilities, but nobody try to find out that abilities. So that's why you are always try to complain. So stop complaining. Nobody follow the complaints people. Okay. So find out the ability. Try to develop that ability. Every day try to develop that ability. You learn that ability, how to develop our ability. Every day you have learned. Age is not matter. The matter is our skill. So our ability will become developed. You will get the skill. If you have skill, you are become confidence. If you have confidence, you can do anything. Okay. If actually our attitude, we should change our attitude. We are always show our confidence. If you need confidence, you should develop our skill. If you have the skill, anything you find out one thing, only focus on one thing and growth. Every day try to grow that ability. So if you are very confident in that ability, that is skill. If you have skill, you can do confidently anything. So not try to complain. Change yourself. Try to change. Only you can change yourself. Nobody can change you. Okay. So focus on ourselves, not others. If we are always try to find out others' mistake. Every day try to what others do and that what is mistake, the others' mistake. We are very interested to find out others' mistake. But we are not ready to ourselves. We have lot of problems. We are not perfect, right? We are ready to find out our problems, our mistake, what is our disabilities. We should find out that. Then try to change ourselves, try to develop ourselves, invest ourselves. We have lot of abilities. We are good person. Actually, nobody is in the world is perfect, but we can become smart, we can develop, we can grow, we can learn, everything we can do. Nothing is impossible. You believe that. Actually, our self-belief is anything. You should believe in yourself, or avoid self-doubt. If you have self-doubt, you can't do anything. Always look at ourselves, oh, I am not okay, I can't do things. That kind of self-doubt brings our confidence down. So find out your skill and try to develop your skill. Everybody wants money. We are try to make money. If you want to money, you have develop your skill, and that skill you do that skill and you do hard work. If you have a goal, you should create, you should make one goal and focus on that goal. You do hard work, you become disciplined. If you want to become successful, you try to do hard work. Hard work is everything. Then also you need confidence, optimistic and discipline, perseverance, consistency. That kind of things we need to reach our destiny. What is your destiny? You find out what is your destiny. First you should make one goal. If you have no goal, your life is lose. Everybody need a goal and work out that goal. You want to reach that goal and you have a successful life. Everything will change. If you have a lot of, if you are a successful people, everybody respect you. You get, everywhere you can get a seat in front of the stage. You can become a role model. Actually, you want to change ourselves. You motivate. Actually, self-motivate is everything. You are ready to motivate. Nobody can change you. You are a motivated person. Nobody can change you. We actually we are trying to get that goal. You should face lot of failure. Actually, failure will come in the long line of failure. Will be meet that. So that failure, when failure will come, you don't give up. You try to develop actually what is the reason for our failure. You find out the reason and try to avoid that kind of reason and learn from our failure. Then do hard work. Then develop ourselves, develop our skills. So you can get more confidence and you will get the powerful mood. Actually, that is the only you will get that with a strong mindset. You need strong mindset to reach your goal. So try to change yourself. Only you can change. Then set a goal and try to reach your goal and try to live happily. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Thank you.